English consonants. Pronunciation of consonant sounds in American English. American English has 24 consonant sounds, but only 21 consonant letters. The 21 consonant letters are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's go over the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, for the consonant sounds. The International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, consonant sounds: pet, boat, t, did, kiss, go, sit, zoo, shirt, pleasure, chat, job, yes, fit, vote, wet, hot, thin, this, me, no, sing, like, red. Now we will go over each and every sound of the consonants so that we will be able to differentiate the consonant sounds. Pet, top, lap, boat, baby, bold, tea, time, plate, did, drag, mud, kiss, leak, trick, go, bag, grab, sit, pass, seize, zoo, zebra, zillion, shirt, shop, shackle, pleasure, measure, seizure, chat, choose, chop, job, jade, joke, yes, young, yoke, fit, fair, fold, vote, vague, volt, wet, wild, wed, hot, hello, high, thin, thick, thong, this, that, the, me, my, mom, no, nap, noodle, sing, spring, song, like, low, lead, red, roll, rich.